Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I just want to share some happy mail with you. I've been talking to one of my friends here on the YT, and her name is Michelle, and her channel is Ms Seashell. Please make sure you go over. I'm going to put the link to her channel in the description box. Go over there and check her out. I was telling her, it's such a, people, our crafty friends are just the best friends here on the YT. You meet some really good, really sweet, really nice people. And she did this for me, and I am feeling so blessed, so thankful, and so glad that she's one of my crafty friends here on the YT. So I was telling her that I've been on the lookout for these Dollar Tree stamps here. These Dollar Tree stickers. And she sent me a lovely card. Hey girl, hey. And it says, "Hi Jay, hope all is well and you are staying safe and warm. Just wanted to send you some of the stickers that you were looking for. Enjoy. Happy crafty, Michelle." Isn't that just nice? Isn't that just beautiful? Thank you, Michelle. Thank you so much. And what I've been on the hunt for was these Dollar Tree window stickers. And for some reason, they appealed to me, and I have stuff in my head that I want to do with them. And I'm making cards for nursing homes, and some of these would be just really great on these cards. So I think it's 4 of them all together. She got me this one. Then there's that one with the bike, and look at the little bird, and it's "Be Happy" right there. She got me the cathedral-looking one with all the, the flowers. And I think this line makes them open up so you can open the window if it's on the card. That is just, Dollar Tree is stepping itself up. And they have this new sticker on the Crafter Square. This is called Paper Craft, so maybe there's a whole new section of stuff, because this is a whole new thing that they've done. And these are just beautiful, just beautiful. And then she gave me some of the rub-ons. Look at that rub-ons. Look at the seahorses, the whale, seashells, just beautiful rub-ons. And I've been enjoying the Dollar Tree rub-ons. Oh, and hey, wait. Butterflies. Don't we all love a good butterfly? And gold, metallic, rub-on, butterfly. Come on now. Put that everywhere. And look at that. I'm working on some steampunk stuff now. I could use a good balloon. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Feathers. Oh, come on. Dollar Tree. We gotta go Dollar Tree. Oh, my goodness. And then she found me. Look at this. The balloon animals. To me, these are like gummy animals, because when I could eat a lot of sweets and stuff, gummies were my favorite. And these is puffy. So these are the nice balloon dogs. And you know how I feel about dogs. And look at the birds. Aren't they beautiful? They're dimensional. They're puffy. Part of that paper crafts line. Michelle, thank you so much. If there's something you're looking for and you can't find in your area, I got you, girl. So I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so very much. Your crafty friends here on the YT are just the best. I'll put the link to her channel down below. She's an excellent crafter. Go over there and give her some crafty love. Press that subscribe button, like her videos, and I'll talk to you all soon. Be the reason somebody smiles. Take care, everybody. Bye.